the shop and do something else. Look who just got in. I was out cutting wood to keep your butt warm. Yeah, well, I was in the house keeping your old lady warm too. I didn't finish though, she didn't finish though, so you'll probably have to do that later. We gonna do something in here tonight or what? You could stand to be a little more creative, you know. You could be a little bit less of a jackass, you know. I'm just saying, you don't gotta get all offended all the time. Looks like we both got something we could work on. Can I have a beer now? You can, but you only got one left. Welcome back to the shop, everybody. Enough of that nonsense. Time to try to get something done out here tonight. So, I think tonight's project is we need to get some shelving built underneath the bench here. I just want a single shelf. I need enough room underneath for 5-gallon pails. And hopefully I'll have enough room left on top for 1-gallon pails. Paint cans, gallon jugs, things like that. If things work out, hopefully that'll work. But so my first problem is the back here is that corrugated steel. I don't have a good way to attach a piece along the back to support the back edge of the shelf without either cutting the steel or scribing around it, what have you. Also remember there's an open cavity back here that doesn't have anything that I can screw to. So those are a little bit of a challenge there. Also on this side as well is the same way. So my thoughts is to bring a drop down piece down and suspend the shelf from underneath the bench itself. Those are my thoughts. So we're gonna go ahead and cut a few pieces, do a little bit of a mock-up here, and see how it looks. All right. Well, now the moment of truth. 5-gallon bucket fits underneath there. Now, obviously, I'm looking for 5-gallon buckets to have the lid on them. I also have the spout pulled out. So we got a little bit of room there for that as well. Washer fluid. Same size that your bar and chain oil, things like that would come in. Doesn't fit this way. Now, I could have sacrificed that here, but I don't want to be that close down there. Plus, I can do that number up underneath. Stacking between cross members, whatever. It's not a huge deal as far as that goes. I don't plan on stacking a ton of these underneath there. There might be between washer fluid and bar and chain oil, things like that. There's probably going to be 15 or 20 jugs underneath there of this size. But obviously, a gallon paint jug will fit on that shelf just fine. I think it'll work out great. So I'm going to go ahead and start framing up the rest of this. We'll catch back up with you when it's time to go check some cows. There is our latest calf right there. And as you can see, he's in getting a little new for mama. Another little boy. So that'd be technically our 5th. We had the one that didn't make it, so we got 4 right now. Nice little steer calf, bull calf. He'll get banded this weekend, so he'll be in good shape. Get an ear tag in him. I'm gonna take a walk out here. I like the fact that she's keeping him up there, but which is good. But we got a couple that are close that might be out here doing their thing. Plus, every once in a while, you get one that goes and hides anywhere out in here. Huh? You gonna drop a calf up there or what? Yeah, your tail all twisted and you're hunching your back a little bit. Huh? You better not, because you probably flop them out and roll them down the hill. Hey, you. How come you don't go run around and play with the other kids? Huh? You were earlier. Yeah. I know, Mama. I know. Yeah, we're okay. We're okay. You're not the cutest cow in the world, but you're a good mom. I'll give you that. Oh. Don't see nobody else pushing. Lots of them to look at. I think it's time for me to call it a night. Throw a few pieces of wood in the fire, take a shower, hit the hay, and do it again tomorrow. Friday, February 28th. I want to start off with a big happy birthday to Wendy, by the way. Be Wendy's birthday today. Obviously, unfortunately, she's not with us anymore, but very much in spirit. And I know on her birthday, we might even get her to drink beer from time to time. So I'm off to work today, guys. Hope everyone's got great plans for the weekend. We're gonna haul some hay, go visit Mr. John Stevens. Plenty of things to do. Stick around, we got a lot of videos for you. We'll see you again next time.